Hey, today we are gonna be making a delicious vegan pumpkin mac and cheese, perfect for the fall or for Halloween. This recipe was adapted from the How Not to Die Cookbook by Dr. Michael Greger. I will leave a link in the description down below for you. If you're new to the channel, my name is Linda and this is Vegan Petite. Now let's get started. For this pumpkin mac and cheese, I couldn't help myself. I found these festive pumpkin-shaped zucchini. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. They're really cute. They look like little pumpkins. But of course, you are welcome to use any kind of macaroni pasta that you like. A quick little taste of the sauce with a piece of pasta, and for my personal preference, I'm gonna add a little bit more nutritional yeast. This is gonna add more of a savory flavor since the pumpkin is a little bit sweet, and I'm just gonna eyeball it and mix that in. The nutritional yeast will also help to thicken up our sauce a little bit more. My mac and cheese sauce is looking pretty soupy right now. Of course, this can happen sometimes when you adapt recipes and switch up the ingredients. So to thicken this up, I'm going to add a little bit of this cornstarch slurry. This is 2 teaspoons of cornstarch mixed with just a splash of water. And we're gonna hope that that improves the texture of our sauce. So let's just make a little well in the middle. Pour that in. Oh my God! Okay, I saved it. Look at this saucy pumpkin mac and cheese with those adorable pumpkin-shaped pasta noodles. Pretty hot. Oh, I feel it going down my chest. It's so hot. Wow, that is so good. You see these little pumpkin noodles? They're almost like little buckets. And so on the inside, it's like filled with the sauce. So it's delicious. It's like a pumpkin mac and cheese gusher. But of course, it's gonna be delicious with regular macaroni shaped pasta too. Okay, obviously I'm really hungry for me to be devouring this so piping hot, but I definitely recommend you make this at least one time in October or November or for Halloween. Your kids will love it. Just make sure it's not hot when you serve it to them. Make sure you smash the like button if you enjoyed this recipe, and comment below what other kind of Halloween recipes are you going to be making this month. Be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that good stuff so you don't miss out on future videos. And I will see you next month in November. It's Thanksgiving season, so I'll see you next week.